he wants them as is. Aw, he likes it. Aw. Evil, 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 evil. Ow! Come on. Stop. Oh my God, are you okay? Get better. This will be a perfect trap. I'll have them before the dawn comes. Now all I gotta do is wait. This will be a perfect place to sleep tonight. I can't wait to rest. Catch them in the morn. Oh, it's time to go on a merry morning jog. Go quickly, we'll get close like a potato. Time to get my prey. They're gone! Oh! Oh, delicious water. This is the forbidden water. Nah, it's not. Oh, I think we're in heaven. Guess that was the forbidden pool. Yeah. Heaven was whatever you wanted it to be. Yes, I'm wrong! They died here. I'll have to go to heaven to be able to catch them. Heaven.
Yes, but it won't be the same without Toad Hole.
Too bad Toad Hole ran away. I wonder if she's still looking for us.
Like on Earth, you know?
Yeah. Help me! Oh no! I'm fucked! Now, it's all good to go. All I have to do is wait.
Oh, look at this wonderful hammock!
Whoa! Look at this!
Ooh, I'm quite good. I like to dance. See, look.
Don't do that!
Bye.
What's all this rocket?